Hello guys, so as you can see behind me we got a little bit of snow overnight and it's not a lot, but I decided give it a try and start the snowblower for the very first time. And of course it doesn't start, so I will try to do a couple tricks how to start it for the very first time in the year. So I have my Toro CCR 2450. I already added a little bit of fresh gas to it to try to start it. It won't start, so let's try to do some tricks. First I will remove this plastic cover to get into a carburetor. It is held by the 3 8mm screws. To start we have to remove the ignition key. Screw number one. Let's put it on the ground. Screw number two. Okay, let's remove the panel. Now we need to get access to the carburetor, which would be on the bottom here. Let's take that apart. So to remove the lower panel, we have those screws here again. And this should come off easily. Okay. So now we have the carburetor right here. What I will do is basically try to remove the hose and just put some starter fluid, see if that would help. The gas will come out, just something to be aware of. Actually, good. Let's see if that helps. So we will blow some compressed air into the carburetor. There's something stuck. Should get unstuck. Okay, let's put it back on. Pump it a few times. I have the key back in. Let's see if that helps. So this is how you start your snowblower for the very first time in winter.